I don't see April as being a positive month. You got tax season, you got tariff season, the economic numbers coming in don't look like they're going to be great going forward. And I think when that happens, I would look for JP Morgan to get rejected and go. And then the dollar spikes even higher. I mean, I see a bit of a rolling over or the correction coming back. This coming back, this is not over, okay? I don't see this. I think there's a resumption of this, and it's going to be in April, most likely, because we only have a few days left. So I'm very hesitant to like jump in and get one more little squeeze out of the lime. Like, when you cut a lime and you squeeze it really hard, it hurts your hand and you get some juice out, right? And then sometimes, and you open up another one, but then you go back to the first lime that you cut because it looks like it has more juice in it, but you have to squeeze it with two hands just to get a few more. Was it really worth it? Was it really worth it to go back to that lime and squeeze it that much harder to get? I mean, just not really worth it, right? And so I feel like in the markets, as much as I want to trade some things bullishly just to get a little bit more, let's just get a little bit more before we would reject here. First week of April, down she goes. I just feel like it's not really, yeah, it just ain't worth the squeeze. I mean, my win rate's good. My equity curve is good. March has been a fantastic trading month. Do I want to give back, 10% of it you know, just because I think it might yield another little squeeze? Just, I'm having a hard time with it. So there are some charts that I like, but they really have to confirm for me. So let's just quick backtrack. If you add up the economic data that's coming, we got PCE coming at the end of the week. We already just got a consumer price, a consumer sentiment low, housing low, inflation wasn't so bad last week, but JP Morgan, yeah, no, I get it. I just feel like this, and I'm keeping this fib chart here because 581 is like max. I don't think it gets here, but if it does get here or pierces above here, I think that 50% retracement is all she got. Then you get tariffs on the second, you get economic data coming in. And if it does drop like this, IWM's going to go, JP Morgan's going to go. If the dollar goes higher, the Chinese stocks are going to go. Gold is going to fall. When that all happens, then you got tax season coming around. The semiconductors is one of the largest, right? Because this is all the AI that's still alive. So, NVIDIA, Avgo, we just showed MU is even weaker than all of them. So if we wanted to, if we wanted to be like a real, what about it, we could just say, how about we just take a short on, why don't we just do this? We can go to the monthlies. You can go to the fourth here if you wanted to. Um, that's not a bad trade. So if you thought If you thought SMH was going to drop like 10 points between now and the 4th, I mean, 10 points only gets you to here, right? We're at 229-ish. How about a move to there? And then if we start to get the move, then we could add MU or NVIDIA or Avgo. So that's one way to like dip your toe in the water. This is for April, so not this Friday, next Friday. The semiconductors are going to be a big. The semiconductors is, I'm not going to say it's the largest sector, but it's the most influential because it's the AI related sector, right? AI chips, semiconductor chips, big. Market starts to roll over, the big fall harder. So you know what? I'm going to throw this out there. I know I said I wasn't going to trade anything, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm just going to put here, starter position on semiconductors. I like MU, NVIDIA, Avgo, all to the downside as we move into April. Tax season, tariff season. Okay. Small position. See if we get it.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comments section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.